Life is quite challenging, and there are moments when it feels so overwhelming that we worry about the tiniest things. These awesome life hacks will help make your day-to-day activities a little easier, or even improve some of the things you already own. So in today's video, we will be discussing super awesome do-it-yourself life hacks. Before we go further into the video, be kind enough to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on new videos. 1. Dry-wet phone. Try keeping your phone in a Ziploc bag with rice inside it for 24 hours if your phone gets wet by falling into the water, and you're able to think about something else except sobbing. Your phone will quickly dry up and resume its operations thanks to the rice's assistance in absorbing the water from it. 2. Fix bathrooms with bad smell. This simple trick will turn your odor-filled bathrooms into a garden of lovely scents. All you have to do is put rice in a glass, add essential oil, and stir well. Long-lasting scent can be replenished by adding more essential oils. 3. Protect your cables. You may have noticed that your wires begin to break as soon as they are connected. It occurs because they are delicate, and covering them with a spring is a very easy approach to preserve them. You may safeguard your wires for a very long time by using the spring to stop the wire from spinning and bending. 4. Fresh breath without toothpaste. You need some new toothpaste to brush your teeth, but you can't find a place to buy it? What follows may help keep your breath fresh. Graze on some apples. Isn't that easy? But don't forget to buy some fresh toothpaste. Additionally, eating an apple a day prevents illness. 5. Enjoy movies on your smartphone. Tired of having to rest your phone on something when you watch a movie so it won't slip off after a while? Use your shade sleeves. You can binge for as long as you like if you fold the sunglasses handles in half, put the phone on the handle, and then gently lean the phone against the interior of the glass frame. 6. Eliminate body odor. Are you worried about remaining fresh and clean since you were unable to get to the store to replace your deodorant? Try this. Using a cotton pad, apply apple cider vinegar to your underarms twice daily, or rub lemon juice and water onto your underarms once daily. And it's a wrap, guys. Thanks for sticking with us till the end of the video. Feel free to share your thoughts and other awesome do-it-yourself life hacks with us in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our next video. Bye for now.